We're here at the Donnelly Conventional Center and we're at the MuscleCars and Corvette Nationals. Please enjoy the next video.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. So Tom, tell me about your car a little bit.
Yeah, this is a 1970 Cuda built as a 1971 Hemi Cuda Convertible. It is a tribute car, it's not an original. The originals, there was only 13 ever made. There was 11 US and 2 exports, and they all sell for anywhere between 3 to 5 million for the originals. So this is a tribute car like one, but it's still quite, it was built like a real one. So it is, as good as it gets.
Tell me about the paint.
The paint, this car was taken all the way down to bare metal. It was bead blasted, and then it was put on a rotisserie. And then we painted the car, it's called Lemon Twist Yellow, which was a 71 color by the factory, and then we put it together, and the bottom's painted just like the top, so it was actually put on a rotisserie spit and done 100% correct.
Tell me about the wheels a little bit.
The what?
The wheels.
The wheels, well, the wheels and tires, those are factory how they would have been back in 1971. And this matte finish is called a billboard. There's a billboard finish with the Hemi billboard on it. That's actually a vinyl, but that's the way they were done straight from the factory. And again, the tires and wheels are BF Goodrich, and they're just like they were from the factory back in 1971.
Can you make me, can I go look inside of
Yeah, absolutely. Have a take a look.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, open the door.
That's fine. Oh my God, this is so really nice and comfortable. I like it. Do you drive this car?
I drive it. I've put over 10,000 miles on it since I restored it about 7 years ago now. So I drive it in the summer. I take it to events. Me and a friend actually took it to I took it out to Arizona, and then by trailer, and then I drove it from Arizona to Las Vegas and back, called Mopar at the Strips. But yes, I drive it quite often. Yeah.
Okay. Can we talk about the trims? Tell me about a little bit more of your trims.
This is a 1968 real Hemi block, so it's a 426 date code motor. It's actually correct for this kind of car, and I did some extra things to it, like a stay cool radiator. It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. It's got a Corbin top. It's got rubber bumpers. It's got a shaker hood. It's got all the options they ever had available and more. And again, I built it so I could drive it, have fun, and enjoy it on a daily basis.
Okay, Tom, tell me about your beautiful car. How many trophies do you won already?
Well, I've been to several events and many different car shows. I've got numerous trophies and first place finishings from different car shows in the area. Today I didn't have it judged here just because this isn't. I mean, I built this car to have fun and enjoy it, but it has won many trophies, first place trophies, sure.
Oh, nice to hear. Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.